Looking for a gift idea? How about a handmade macrame keychain? It's easier than you think. The supplies you'll need are twine, some beads, a keychain ring, a pair of scissors, a macrame board, fancy, a clipboard works too, or just tape. You'll need this much twine. It's about an arm's length. Double it and cut it. And you'll need 2 sets of these. So with your key ring, you're going to tie your 2 cords. You're going to pull it through and just flip over, and then you have 2 little beginner knots. You'll have your 4 cords there on your key ring, and to secure it, use tape and just tape it to your table so it won't move as much. We're going to be doing the square knot first, which looks like this. Tape your 2 center strings down so they won't be moving as much as your 2 outer strings. You're going to create a little figure 4 with your strings, and this is going to actually be on top. And then you're going to go under this set and just pull, keep going, and it starts making this knot. And then you're going to alternate. So now it's going to be on this side a 4, and this actually goes under, so the 4 like that, and then it's going to go under the 2 into the 4 and pull, and like that. Once you get down far enough, you can add a bead to make the bead go on easier to your string. You'll put it on the 2 center strings, is to put some tape on there and thread it through the bead and pull it through. We'll get your bead in there, and voila. So once your bead goes on, you're going to continue with your pattern. Remember which side you left off on. And we're going to start on this side, and we're going to simply pull through again and pull up, and whoops, let's try that again. It's over and then under. There we go, we got it. And we're going to switch sides, and remember it's over and then through the little 4. Pull, and we'll keep that pattern. And to finish up your keychain, after you put on that first bead, you can go down some and then put on your second bead. Let's see, we'll need a paper clip to push this through. There we go. And this is the second bead, and you're going to add a few more knots. Just keep continuing. So to finish off your keychain, we're going to make a little tassel. So just stop there, and we're going to tie on a string here. You can wrap it around your tassel there, and then tie another knot to secure the wrapping. Tight, and you can trim your little tassel there, and there you have it. So the other knot style that I can show you is the twist knot, and that's the same setup, but instead of alternating, we're going to stay on one side, and it will naturally twist. Here, it's already starting to twist, and just keep doing that all the way through, staying on the one side. There you go. You got a little twist going, and just add the beads as you would like we did with the square knot, and finish the same way. I hope you have fun making your handmade macrame keychains, and of course you can find more resources at chandlerlibrary.org.